guys, today we're gonna make a new video. It's another Minecraft hack, okay. And it's called Toolbox for Minecraft. So I'm gonna go to the app. Just go to play, same world. I already tried to do this, but it kind of sort of like glitched on me. So I'm gonna go to this add. Oh, and also you could see how you could craft it, and you could add like infinite and one. So right now we're just gonna do that. And also enchant is pretty much just like Master of Minecraft competition. But this one goes way more faster. Oh, and also, if you want me to like make a video to like make words going over 9,000, and like yeah, and reading up like an iron golem with it, then there'll be 15 likes, please. And if you want me to use that exact same sword, and for like over 9,000 armor, and we could beat up like an over 9,000 protection golem. Yeah, man, I can do that probably. So this entire place is like creative mode, and you could search what you want up here. Except Waymo. All these are just like mods I used to have. I think this is a modification. No, this is a video with. Okay, so this is like survival and creative. Right now we're in survival, and where's the nether? Oh, wait, I wanna go to here. Now we are in the open world. So now this is the there's flying, no clip, and this is kill, heal, and set. We could set our HP to like 5 trillion, and we could kill ourselves and heal. Hunger restore, we put our hunger back. Spawn point, we could teleport our spawn point. There we go. And we could set our spawn point. Boom. I set my spawn point. Game speed, I'm not gonna mess with that because it crashes everything. And player speed, well, you guys already know what that does. Stop time. I already stopped time, so you can pretty much dog left to the sheep. To the dog left sheep. Oh no, crash, 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 it's crashy, crash, crash, crash. Okay, so test world. Okay, so also you could enchant like your helmet to protection 5 trillion. Boom. Okay, so we were on. Okay, try to go to the thug life sheep. Fly enabled. So, why do always when we try to go to the sheep? Okay, the sheep is bad. Sheep bad. Do not go next to sheep, so I need to stay on. So let's turn off stop time. Turn off stop time. Disable block clicking. So that means the same thing as like redstone and stuff. Always sprint. You can pretty much sprint whenever you want. Levels 100. This is nowhere near to Master of Minecraft Edition, and potion effects, it's pretty much like this. Boom, boom, done. and you can remove them all. And then mobs is pretty much what we did with that one. And then mod, show button in the corner, show x-ray toggle. Ooh, we want to see x-ray. Nope, it doesn't work. So x-ray, tree, capitator, show, minimap, and show status, show debug in game, toolbox, for Minecraft Pocket Edition, version 3.1.2, made by something. Okay, so this is pretty much like this. Name, it's pretty much just like a teleport area. And then this is pretty much creative. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And if you want to see me put this exact same sword, oh look, here's x-ray. Boom, we could see wait, if we go like super far. Go behind there. Look, we can see like diamonds and stuff. So if you guys want me to show like the x-ray mod and all that, then leave a comment down below. And then if you want me to do this exact same sword over 9,000, then that would be 10 likes. And then if you guys want me to defeat an iron golem with the over 9,000 and over 9,000 armor, then that'll be 15 likes. So yeah, peace. It's bye 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 bye.